Final dance we do for you is of Molokai, and it talks about all the many different things that Molokai has that it is famous for. This chant was written by our kumu Leina Alakalamahini and translated into Hawaiian by Kaupu, David Kaupu, and Kawanoi Kamanau Wilson. We leave with you in honor of Molokai, all that we have experienced. I want to say mahalo to Elsie, and halau kukuna okala, and all that have come here to just come and enjoy everything that is being offered today. And don't forget to fill out the survey, please. It is important. So before you leave, fill out the survey. You can find it underneath here by the restrooms and by the t-shirts. Mahalo.
Come on, Molokai, show your appreciation. Mahalo niuli'i and Napuale o Likolehua. Now they'll be coming on again in a little bit to show us some